Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a little Stegosaurus dinosaur out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a medium-sized ball of yellow clay, but you could use any color that you'd like. And I'm pinching one side into a point so it's a really round teardrop shape. I'm then flipping it around and pinching the other side into a small round head so that it looks like a sort of lemon shape. Then to make the legs, I'm placing the lemon shape on my work surface and gently pressing down onto it so that the bottom of it flattens slightly. And then just turning the teardrop over so that the flat side is facing me, and using a needle tool to press across into it. And repeating until the lines are deeper. So this is what the body looks like so far. So now it's time to add the face, so I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny little smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. And now to make some little spikes, I have 2 small balls of orange clay, and I'm taking one and I'm flattening it into a disc with my finger. And then just using my fingers and thumbs to press it into a diamond shape. And then cutting it in half with my blade so that I have 2 triangles. I've then gone ahead and repeated the same steps on the other ball, and I've ended up with 4 triangles. But since I only need 3, I'm just going to remove one and place the spikes along the dinosaur's back. And then for some spots, I've rolled 3 small balls of the same orange clay, and I'm just using my finger to gently press them flat. And then removing them off my work surface. And then placing them on the side of the dinosaur's bum. And then baking everything fully using my package's instructions. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!